quickly editing effective social media videos requires the right tools. Here are some of the best options. First, Adobe Premiere Pro. It's subscription-based and has advanced features for trimming, color grading, and adding effects. It's great for users who want to learn to create professional quality videos. Then there's Final Cut Pro. It's another professional paid option that has a more intuitive interface paired with powerful tools for editing and exporting. Next, there's Canva, which is ideal for beginners. It offers free, easy-to-use templates for creating short videos with text, transitions, and animations. It's perfect for social media posts. And there's InShot. This is a popular mobile app that allows quick editing of videos on the go. It's great for trimming clips, adding music, and applying filters. Finally, there's CapCut, a free, user-friendly mobile app with advanced features like AI-powered editing, text-to-speech, and effects. CapCut is ideal for TikTok and Instagram Reels. Choose the tool that fits your skill level and need, and you'll be creating compelling content for social media in no time. Like and subscribe for more mission-driven marketing tips, and let us help you multiply your ministry.